Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here, my friends, with breaking news once again. That's right, and in today's video we have the confirmed price for the DJI FPV drone. The question a lot of people have been waiting for: how much is this new drone from DJI is going to cost? Well, today I have that answer for all of you in today's video, so you don't want to miss out on it. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe here on the channel so that you can keep up to date with the latest drone news as soon as they come out, because here in the channel we're going to be always the first ones to have this info for all of you here in the channel. And also, if you want to participate in our next giveaway, make sure that you subscribe in the channel so that you can participate. How big will the prize be? Well, that's going to depend on how much of you support, my friends, we actually get here on the channel. So we get little to no support, we will just maybe give away just a filter, or just maybe a landing pad, or just maybe a case for a drone. But if we get a really good amount of support from all of you, we might even go ahead and give away another drone here in the channel. So if you want to see this happening, make sure that you subscribe to the Drone in Motion family. So my friends, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. Today we're going to be talking about the confirmed price. Okay, we have already released the videos talking about the confirmed release it and the specs. So if you haven't watched those videos, make sure that you do so that you can see all of that info, because today we're going to be talking about the confirmed price for the FPV drone. So how much will this FPV drone from DJI is going to cost? Well, today we have that answer for all of you. So a lot of people were scared because they thought that this drone was going to be very expensive, even up to $2,000. Well, today we're going to be telling you all of the info that you need to know. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the DJI FPV combo, which is the price that we have for right now confirmed. So this is what we have right here in screen. And there we have the drone. So what that is going to include the drone, the controller, and the FPV goggles. Okay, nothing else. It looks like we don't have any extra batteries. Okay, so that's what we have at the moment. So thanks over to the guys at Drone Rumors. Once again, we have the confirmed price. So thanks to their contacts in China, which is what they claim, they have the price for the DJI FPV drone, my friend. So how much will it cost? Well, today we have the answer. The DJI FPV combo is expected to be 9,688 Chinese yuan. Now, how much is that in US dollars? Well, converted to US dollars, that is $1,500. Wow, that's crazy. So that's going to be the starting point for the development of the DJI FPV drone. So that's how much the DJI FPV drone is going to cost. And I'm going to pull up the article from the guys over at Drone Rumors so that you can see that I'm not making this up. This is confirmed from them, and they are very reliable source right here on screen. There we have it. So $1,500 for the DJI FPV combo. What can I tell you? It's very expensive, my friends, but just keep in mind that just the goggles alone are over $500, and then you add in the drone, the batteries, the controller, so that really adds up to a lot amount of money. Now, will there be a base version of the drone just like what we found on other DJI drones? I think it's very likely, so that people can use their old goggles. We still don't know if the drone is going to be compatible, because keep in mind that this new drone is going to come with the FPV goggles B2, so keep that in mind. So maybe we don't get a base version because the FPV goggles B1 might not be compatible. So at the moment, that's what we have confirmed. FPV combo, $1,500. We still don't know if there's going to be a base version. Whenever that gets confirmed and we have the price for that, if that even comes out, we're gonna keep you updated here on the channel. But my friends, that is the price for the FPV combo. A little disappointed on the price. I think it's a little too high. I don't know how well it's going to do. I don't know. Personally, I was hoping to buy the drone, but just seeing that price tag of over $1,500 just makes me think twice about it. But well, that's the price for the FPV drone for DJI, and without a doubt it's going to be a phenomenal drone. It's going to have great quality, It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. So that's the price for the FPV drone from DJI. That's all I have for all of you today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone in Motion, signing out.